गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। आज हम लोग चैप्टर 2 रिलेशंस में एक्सरसाइज 2.1 डिस्कस करेंगे। एंड यस्टरडे आई हैव गिवन अ स्मॉल वीडियो इन विच वी हैव डिस्कस द बेसिक टर्म्स ऑफ द चैप्टर 2 रिलेशंस। व्हाट आर द बेसिक टर्म्स? नंबर 1, ordered pairs. Ordered pairs means the pair of the elements of two sets. If A is 1 2 and B is 3 4, then 1 3, like this you can also understand 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. Writing this in a bracket, small bracket, all these are known as ordered pairs because there is a proper order from A to B. If you are writing 3 1 4 1 3 2 4 2, this will also be ordered pair, but it will be from B to A. So ordered pair is the first term. Second term was ordered triplets. Triplets means there may be 3 sets, like a C set is having only 5. So 1 3 5, 1 4 5, 2 3 5, 2 4 5. This type of the set of numbers will be called order triplet. Then comes Cartesian product, means set of all ordered pairs. This is called Cartesian product, and it is denoted by A cross B. There is a word product in its name, but there is no multiplication over here. They are just a symbol to represent this particular set, A cross B. After that, we have discussed number of elements in A cross B. If A is having 2, B is having 2, then A cross B will have 2 into 2, 4. So how many subsets will be there? 2 to the power 4. This is total number of subsets of A cross B. Now, what is relation? Relation is subset of A cross B. Each subset of A cross B will be called a relation. Other than this definition, one more definition we have discussed yesterday, that is the correspondence between elements of two sets. Like this only 1 3, if we will take only 1 3 as a subset of A cross B, then this will be a relation because it is connecting 1 to 3, this element to this element. If you are taking more than 1, like you have taken one more, 2 4, then also it will be a relation because it is a subset of A cross B. So other than the condition of subset, we must also understand that relation is a correspondence between elements of two sets, A to B. So all these things we have discussed yesterday. Equality of ordered pair also discussed in previous video. If two ordered pair are equal, they are not equal. They are not equal. Even first, see these two second element are equal, but first is not equal. So this was also discussed in previous video. Two ordered pairs will be equal if first element of first ordered pair, like these two, first equal to first, second equal to second, these two ordered pairs will be equal. So now we are going to do exercise 2.1, question number 1, which is based on equality of ordered pairs. Two ordered pairs are given equal, and we have to find out the value of x and y. X upon 3 plus 1, y minus 2/3, and it is 5/3 1/3 is equal to 5/3 and 1/3. If these two are equal, find x and y. This is the question. So by equating the first element, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3, we will get x. Firstly 1 will be transferred. Taking LCM, so it is 2 by 3, this is x by 3, so 3 cancel, x equal to 2. Similarly, equating second element, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 3 by 3, so it is 1. So this is the question based on equality of ordered pairs. There are many different patterns are there, different questions are there based on this property that if two ordered pair are equal, respective elements will be equal. Now we are going to see question number 2. 2 is basically quite simple. They are asking about if A has 3 elements and B is having 3, 4, 5. And A is given you 3 and B is given you 3, 4 and 5. See, firstly, to show the number of elements of set, there are two ways. First, giving directly set, or another with the help of the cardinal number. Now they are asking how many elements will be in A cross B. Only number of elements. So it was discussed yesterday that NA cross B will be NA into NB. So this is 3 into 3 is 9. Quite simple. Now if you go for third question, G is given 7, 8, H 5, 4, 2. And they are asking G cross H and H cross G. So quite simple, G cross H will be ordered pair 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, then 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. This is G cross H. Similarly, H cross G you can find out by your own. If we talk about question number 4, is also based on the similar pattern, similar topic. State whether the following statements are true or false. P is given Mn, Q is given Nm. And they are asking what is, they have given to you P cross Q as the ordered pair of Mn, Nm. They are saying whether it is true or not. So by knowing the similar point, they are having 2 and 2 elements, so it should have 4 elements. That is why it is not true. It is false. And to make it true, you have to write the remaining 2 more elements. So the correct answer is P cross Q will be Mn, Mm, Nm and Nn. So this is the first part of question number 4. Second is the definition of A cross B, which is correct, you can understand easily. You must know the proper definition of A cross B is it is set of xy, or AB can also be written here, small ab. It is the set of xy where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. This is the definition of ordered pair. in set builder form. So that same thing has been asked, which is true in second part, and third part is based on intersection of A is given 1 2, B is given 3 4, and they are asking whether A cross B intersection phi is phi or not. Is it true or not? So if you go for B intersection phi, you know that intersection with phi for any set is always phi, because nothing is there, no element is there in phi null set. So by intersection with any set you will not get any element, so it will be null set. Now making cross A cross B intersection phi will be equal to A cross phi. Now A is having 1 2, but what does it mean if I is not having any elements? No ordered pair will be formed, so it will also be phi. So this is true. And one more thing we have got over here, that intersection with phi, Cartesian product with phi of any set will be phi. This is already discussed earlier. Intersection of any set with phi is always phi. Now cross product is also phi. So these are the questions. Fifth I have explained earlier. Sixth you can do. Seventh you can do. They are all are very simple. Eighth is based on the similar previous patterns only. So till ninth question you all can try to do today. The next we will discuss tomorrow. Question number 10 and some more question based on relation. Okay, thank you.